Listen to this. Ever wonder how people on social media platform make money effortlessly? Well, you don't need to be a tech genius or quit your job to start earning serious cash. Today, we're diving into AI-powered dropshipping, a game changer for passive income. Imagine building an online business that practically runs itself, freeing up your time and padding your bank account. Let's get started. With AI-powered tools, you can automate most of the tasks involved in running an online store. From product selection to customer service, AI handles it all, making your life easier. And the best part, you can do this from anywhere in the world. Whether you're at home, traveling, or just relaxing, your AI-powered business keeps running. So if you're ready to take control of your financial future, stay tuned. Let's dive into the world of AI-powered dropshipping and start earning effortlessly. Let's break down AI-powered dropshipping. Traditional dropshipping can be a grind, hunting for products, setting up your website, packing and shipping orders. But AI changes the game entirely. Imagine an AI assistant that does all the heavy lifting for you. We're talking AI that finds trending products, so you don't have to spend hours on research. It's like having a personal shopper for your online store. AI can even build your entire online store from scratch. Forget about clunky website builders. AI does it all for you. We're talking a professionally designed website, complete with product descriptions that make people want to buy. AI takes care of order fulfillment too. When someone buys from your store, the AI sends the order to your supplier who ships it directly to the customer. No more late-night trips to the post office. AI-powered dropshipping eliminates all the headaches. With AI, anyone can launch a profitable online business, and the best part, it optimizes your operation so you can focus on growing your business. Now you're probably thinking, how do I get started? I'm going to walk you through the process. Head over to BuildYourStore.ai. This is the platform we're using today. I've got a special link in the description for an exclusive discount. Once you've signed up, choose a niche for your store. BuildYourStore.ai uses AI to suggest profitable niches. If you're passionate about something specific, like fitness or pets, you can build your store around your interests. The key is to choose a niche you're excited about. Now comes the fun part, letting AI build your store. No coding or design skills needed, just tell the AI what you're looking for, and it will generate a stunning online store in minutes. You can customize everything to match your brand and style. Track your sales and watch your business grow. Manage your store on the go with the mobile app. Engage with your customers and build a loyal community. Keep innovating and expanding your product range. With dedication and the power of AI, success is within reach. This is where things get really interesting. Once your store is set up, it's time to stock it with products. AI takes the guesswork out of product selection. BuildYourStore.ai's AI engine analyzes market trends to identify high-demand products. It's like having expert product researchers working for you. AI also helps you price those products competitively. You can let the AI set optimal prices or adjust them manually. Focus on products with at least a 30% profit margin. The beauty of AI is that it finds high profit margin products within your niche. Sit back, relax, and let the AI do the work. Enjoy your newfound free time while the AI handles the heavy lifting. The AI software is designed to be user-friendly, making it easy for anyone to get started. Watch your sales grow as the AI optimizes your store for success. Celebrate your success and enjoy the benefits of a well-automated store. Set up payments and order fulfillment. Getting paid on your AI-powered dropshipping store is easy. BuildYourStore.ai integrates with major payment gateways like Stripe, PayPal, and Shopify payments. Connect your preferred payment gateway, and you're good to go. Customers can make purchases securely, and the money goes straight into your account. But here's the real game changer. AI automates order fulfillment. When a customer places an order, BuildYourStore.ai's AI engine sends the order details to your supplier. The supplier handles everything else, from packaging to shipping. This hands-free approach allows your business to scale effortlessly. You can go from processing a few orders a day to hundreds without breaking a sweat. And all of this happens in record time, maximizing your efficiency. With payments and order fulfillment streamlined, you can focus on growing your business. Enjoy the freedom and flexibility that comes with a well-oiled, automated system. Happy customers mean repeat business and glowing reviews, further boosting your sales. Watch your profits soar as your AI-powered store runs smoothly and efficiently. Get traffic and sales with AI marketing. Now it's time to drive traffic to your store. BuildYourStore.ai comes with powerful AI-driven marketing tools. First up, AI-powered ad campaigns. The AI analyzes your target audience, identifies the best platforms, and creates high-converting ad copy and visuals. We're talking about platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Next, SEO, getting your store to rank higher on Google. BuildYourStore.ai's AI suggests relevant keywords to optimize your store's content. BuildYourStore.ai also automates your social media marketing. The AI creates engaging posts, schedules them, and interacts with your followers. It's like having a dedicated social media manager. One of the most effective ways to boost sales is to run retargeting ads. These ads bring potential customers back to your store to complete their purchase. With AI marketing, you can achieve incredible results effortlessly. Scale to $350 a day and beyond. Here's the exciting part: scaling your AI-powered dropshipping store. Once you start generating consistent sales, reinvest a portion of your profits back into your business. Increase your ad spend on high-performing products. If a product is generating a lot of sales, allocate more budget to promoting it. Add premium-priced items to your store. Focus on products with higher profit margins to increase your average order value. BuildYourStore.ai provides in-depth analytics to track your progress and optimize your business. The sky's the limit with AI-powered dropshipping. People have built incredibly successful businesses using this model. Generating over $10,000 per month is possible. And you can do it too. Start today and watch your business soar. Start your AI-powered side hustle today. So there you have it, the ultimate blueprint for building an AI side hustle. Are you ready to start building your own financial freedom with AI? Imagine waking up every day knowing that your AI-powered side hustle is working for you, generating income while you sleep. Head over to BuildYourStore.ai using my link in the description to get started today. This platform offers all the tools and resources you need to launch and scale your AI business effortlessly. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know you're ready to start. Your feedback is invaluable and helps me create more content that empowers you to achieve financial freedom. Hit that like button and subscribe for more game-changing passive income strategies. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know about new opportunities and tips to maximize your earnings. Until next time, happy hustling. Keep pushing forward and remember that every small step you take brings you closer to your financial goals. Remember, the future of work is here, and it's powered by AI. Embrace the change and let AI be the driving force behind your success.